Okay, the workshop with Vladimir and myself, December 6th is a Friday. 2 p.m. Pacific is what we're going to do. Planning on 2 hours, probably 2 to 3, with the question and answer that we're going to have as well. In two areas of topics that we've been weighing on for over 6 months now. Seeing if this would even be worth it, if it would be something that we would get excited about, and now we're getting excited about it, but could we do it in a way that it's effective for the group? Yes. And so we've actually held off having phone calls about it because we tend to express our best material when we do these catch-up calls. So this workshop is actually going to be the catch-up call. And you guys are going to get beyond over 50 years of clinical experience and expertise from how we apply it personally in our lives. The principles and laws are across the board. They're universal. How he applies them and how he doses them, how I apply them, how I dose them, boom. And then the expression is a different, better life. A life that makes sense. A way to sustainably make sense and improve if we desire. The two areas of focus we're hitting is how to actually change the tough stuff. Tough stuff being how to move, how to change states, how to change countries, how to change jobs if it's something that your body is asking and mind is asking. How to speak up for yourself within a career, how to start a new career, follow the passion, how to make difficult relationship conversations, have those difficult relationship conversations, start a relationship. It's the stuff that our bodies express. We have this obsessive nature of looking to the easy things to kind of take care of the big stuff, changing light bulbs, a morning routine, changing an ingredient here or there. Those things are fantastic. They're powerful. They're deep. They consistently will affect you, but they support you going into the deeper areas that you're not really wanting to ask, the questions you're not wanting to ask yourself, the areas of your life you're not wanting to dive into or poke into. There's cobwebs all over them because the cupboard has never been opened in that area before. So it's how to actually go into those tough areas and take them on at whatever level you're at, to whatever capacity they are. Through personal experience, boom, him, clinical experience for him, personal experience for me, clinical experience, and as I said, over 50 years of this between the two of us clinically. And then the other area, and it's a sensitive topic, and a lot of people don't like talking about it, but it is being ingested and processed. And if you're a human being, you're going through it. How to handle family that is ill, diseased, sick, how to process, how to observe them, how to live with them, how to take them into where it doesn't have to strain either side of you. It doesn't have to be this thing that's just sucking you dry, but a very, very truthful, natural, healthy way to approach it that will have your body expressing consistently and agreeing, and then mind as well. And massive practical techniques, practical applications, practical tools, practical things that you can apply between those two areas there. They're what we apply. He applies them. I apply them. We repeatedly do in a way that makes sense. Because again, we have to have you leaving these classes, these workshops with, okay, I can do this and I've got this. I'm on. Got it. I can go. No matter where you are, no matter what walk of life, no matter what's going on in your past, no matter what, doesn't matter. You'll be able to find truth with these. And then one of the biggest portions, in my opinion, the question and answer. So anybody that registers and gets involved, you guys have up to 3 questions to ask either one of us regarding these two topics. And so, again, pick the brains of 50 plus years experience within these two topics. What do you guys want to know? Yeah. And so again, for those of you who have had experience with him and I together as a partnership, we've normally done podcasts and they've been playful and fun. And we've, talked about training moves and 4 hours of this and that and aliens and habits and whatever. This is entirely different. This is something we both are very passionate about. Why? Because it's our lives. We've applied these principles and laws in our lives to change our lives for he would say, to be more better. He's done it. He's recently gone through it. I've done it, recently gone through it. We've gone through it many times in our lives, many times in our lives. Now, how can we help, guide, help? This is not a podcast level event. This is something absolutely very, very serious that we take very seriously and we are very passionate about. So that's the level you're going to get from us. And we've never done something like this before. So there'll probably be chapters to this. Because again, the conversations we're having in our phone, when we catch up with each other, it's just like, oh my gosh, dude, that would be powerful right there. So this is chapter 1. These 2 areas we reduced down because it could be an 8-hour event easy. And we'll just space it out and see where we go, because we're always changing. Why are we always changing? Because of the things we're about to talk about. Not dealing with specific, ailments or injuries or anything like that. Just within these 2 areas, everybody will be able to find their place in it. And I know you are experiencing these 2 because, in my opinion, they're the 2 biggest ones that nobody wants to talk about. How do we handle a family that is ill? How do we process that? And then how do we change the tough stuff, whatever that may be? Yeah, this is big. So you're going to get a lot more of these reminder videos moving forward, a lot more of these. There's a ton of details in this stuff. Again, we're going to keep it between 2 and 3 hours, we think. But with 50 plus years experience between the 2 of us, there's a chance that we go over, but over deliver. Why is that a bad thing? There will be a 7-day replay if you can't attend the live, just like before, no problem. And then it'll be available after that. Email me for details, a lot of details on this class, info@TommyJohnIII.com. Again, access to Vladimir and myself in a way that's never been done before. We've only just done kind of topical podcasts, and they were playful and fun. This is still going to be us doing what we do, but doing what we do clinically the best as it applies to our lives and to anybody we've worked with in our lives. Let us know if you're interested. Big time of year. Sandwiched between the holidays. Big. Looking forward to seeing whomever decides that this might be valuable. See you guys there.